It's like Blair Witch Project, I don't know. We're so scared. It's gonna eat us. You gotta run. Oh my god. It's a movie, isn't it? Huh? The Blair Witch Project? They're running through the forest, aren't they?
Yeah, and then they find a cabin.
So is that what I gotta do? I gotta come and run through the forest here?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Help me! Help me! It's coming to get me! Oh, whoa! Spider! Fuck that! Spider!
And then you gotta do one of these. So.
Hello, little boy. It's not pot ice, right? No.
Yeah,
I was going to say it is, eh? It's not like pot. You can't even come and do this without doing pot. Hello, Sage.
No photography.
Extreme Sage! Extreme Sage! I love you.
Yeah. That hurt.
How come you haven't ridden with me in all this year?
Because
you don't like to ride with me.
Like my ear was messed up the whole summer.
Is it the sound?
No.
Just pluggy noise.
Popping stuff.
Popping noise.
It
So,
just started to stop.
are we gonna maybe get some earplugs for next year?
I have earplugs.
Yeah, but I don't think you can wear those ones anymore. But like sound plugs, no, that wouldn't work, eh?
Yeah.
Like what I did? No.
They're not comfortable.
Alright.
Pokes in my ear. It's just like.
Huh? See what happens.
Don't.
So what? Oh wow. I don't know if I can fit in here.
What are you doing?
What?
Come out, bro.
Why?
Is it sketchy?
No. 1 minute. There, hello.
Hey, go out.
Where's your sister?
She's in here.
Huh? Okay, let's keep going. Come up this way. Hello. Where's your mom? Oh, there she is. Huh?
Why did you just go that way? Alright, I'm going now.
Okay. Huh? Going back down through? Then go down through.
Wait.
Here. You want to use it?
No.
Oh. Bailey, please be careful. Eh? How nice is that, eh? Okay, here, come down. Huh? Scare cam! October 7th. Yeah, October 7th. We're up at Bruce Peninsula National Park with Bailey, Sage, Amber, and myself. It's a dire thing. Just wanted to kind of give you a little show as to what it is. Ooh, look at that, that's so pretty. That's so nice. Oh my god, it's windy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, so up at the Bruce Peninsula National Park here, wanted to come and check it out for the longest of time, and wanted to get some braking procedure of the car. So the Nissan. Ooh, I'm gonna rub you out here. That's better. Hi. So yeah, getting some braking some miles. So decided to come up to Tobermory on October.
Yoink.
Hello. Holy windy, eh? Come over. You can get some really nice photos over here. Check it out. Ooh, let's put the head cam on. Head cam. Huh?
Said it's going to storm.
You think it's gonna get a storm?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look at the water.
Oh, it's cool though. I was figuring the waves and the water would be a lot rougher than that. It's so nice. It's nice though, eh? Where are they? Oh, they're there. Coming through. Oh, it's lining up.